Okay. So, Oga, what you go for tell our viewers when they patronize you through this platform?
We don't have much things to say than thank you, because without them, there's nothing we can do. If there's no, if they are not there, there's nothing we can do.
So our viewers all over the world, it's not a brother say thank you. So, Oga, now which work you say make we come check for you?
Thank you very much, sir. This is flat roof, or let's say hidden roof of a building. That is what we are doing here, sir.
Flat roof
yes,
or
sir.
hidden roof?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So make we take around this place first, make our viewers know that they see and well. Okay, maybe all this one like this.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So Oga, make you explain to us this kind of hidden roof, the advantage of it over the normal roof where everybody they used to.
This one is very, very economical.
Okay.
Because it's 1/4 of the normal roof, especially stone coat. So if you have to use 100 materials for stone coat, definitely you have to use 40 for this.
You know, so if they talk of material, our viewers they're not going to understand. If you are to use 6 million for stone coat, that means this one if you can use like 2 million.
Yeah, or 3 million.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So make you they tell us the things when they're here.
Thank you very much, sir. This is construction of hidden roof, or some people can still call it flat roof. But it has process. If the process is not followed duly, that is when the problem can come from. Okay. So now, and this building has its own plan, but the plan changed due to some economical things and some other things.
Financial crisis.
But this roof is also very, very encouraging. Now, when you look at it, the way this hidden roof is quite different. When you look at the design and the shape, definitely it has indicated that it is not planned from beginning to be hidden roof.
Okay.
You understand? Now, when you check it now, so, but when the owner wants to do it, it caught my attention as a professor and he seek advice, and we advise him. So, and this is what we did. So the way we do our own hidden roof, we do it to the essence, if there is maintenance, everybody will have access to climb under to check anything that is going on. Okay. So that is why I advise them to do the chaining around the whole building. It is just only this front that is open. Every other place is sealed. So they set block. So but before they set the block, there is no way we can put 6 coach on top ordinary block. So that is why they have to do lintel or chaining right around the whole external of the building, that is the outside of the building, the outside block work of the building, before they now carry 5 coach on it, making it to be 6 coach. So okay. They now added, this place is 3 coach already, they now added 1 coach to the front. So not only the front, not the inside though. And the main purpose of it is to give the building space from the ceiling, and if there is anything, everybody will have access to the under. Okay. So that is just it, sir. That
is the major reason why, yes, sir, you give on that gap.
Yes, and it radiates it, because now looking at it, even though you can experiment it, something that is, if aluminum is closer to ceiling, there is no way you can compare it if it has little space from the ceiling. So that is exactly what really happens, sir.
Okay, in case of it,
because of it, yes, and maintenance.
Yeah, it will radiate or it will breach come out.
Yeah, because
okay. So Oga, you feel they tell us the kind of food when you use for this particular place?
Yes, sir. We use 3x4, 2x6. We use 3x4, 2x6, 2x4, 2x3, and 2x2. Normal wood that we always use for other roofing is the same wood that this flat roof also take, but the quantity will reduce.
Okay.
So that is just the difference.
So Oga, you get what you want to show us again?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Make we go check around. Make our viewers make that they learn about this hidden roof.
Yes, sir. Thank you very much, sir. Now looking at this front, because the plan has changed, we need to make use of other alternative. This place is veranda. So but because the plan has changed now, and there is veranda at the up there, there is veranda up there also. So and the owner sent me a shape, so that is why we do it this way. This one happens to be gable roof. This one is gable.
Okay.
The down, the veranda. So we just make it to be gable. So now this is 2x6. Now, because this place is veranda and is an opening space, and there is no way 3x4 can come under, so that's why we decided to use 2x6. And now, by the time you check the lapping of the wood, you will discover that the lapping is much.
Okay.
The main purpose of it is just because of strength, because there's nothing to support it here. So that is why.
So for this particular place, now because nothing to support, and I make you lap am.
Lap am where? Okay. And we use 2x6. We don't use 2x4. Because 2x4, if you do them later, it go come down.
Okay. So other one see the one you want to show us?
Yes, sir. We can still climb up to finalize everything, sir.
Okay, Ogun, I'll be up with you, so.
Yes, sir.
Where you want me to stay?
Anywhere, sir. Now, like what I'm explaining before, when you look at it, the 3x4 for the inner beam, which the bracing is being attached. So there will still be beam that will still run after the wood work has complete. So those wood that remain. Now, the main purpose of this 6 coach is because of slope, so that the water will flow very well. That is just the main purpose. And this chaning, the main purpose of it is, by the time you check it, well, this is 1 2 3, this 3 coach, and if you now put another 6 coach, making it to be 9 coach, it will be very much, and we don't know how strong it is to carry it. So that is why it is being advised, it is very, very advisable to put chaning with reinforcement to that, to give the thing support. You understand, before they apply it. So that is how it is. So if the process is duly followed, even if we don't have issues, and after this poline now we finish it, they will plaster those edges before we cover it with flash sheet.
So got this particular poline, now which kind of wood you use for here? Now the size of wood name they here?
Now 2x3 we they use for poline.
Okay.
So and we use oridudu and itara.
Okay, oridudu and itara.
Yes, sir.
Now be the wood when they here.
Yes, sir.
And get the believe say those particular wood.
Everybody know, people that knows about wood, where they know they can testify to it. They are good woods.
Okay. So I'm gonna make you stay here, make our viewers they see you. So this particular wood when you talk, so now you go buy them.
Don't be me buy them, but the owner call me, and once they measure it and they snap it and send it to my WhatsApp, I say no, this one is okay, it's recommended.
So this one too, now machine saw been answer.
This one I machine saw, no be answer.
Okay.
I machine saw. If you look at the alignment, you will discover, you see that most of them, 70% of them is straight. So and the length.
Wood machine saw they straight.
They straight, and the length. If you check the length now, if it is answer, it will not pass this linted side.
Okay.
So that is the difference.
Okay. So if our viewers need you, may you come work for other parts of the country, especially the west, or your Osun-Ekiti, Ondo, Ogun State, Ondo, so Lagos and Kwara. If you go there, go work.
Yes, sir. Anywhere, sir. Anywhere we can work at anywhere, sir.
Okay. So guys, if you still tell our viewers this particular work, since not be you go buy the wood, but you know the number of wood when enter here.
Yes, sir.
If you tell our viewers the pieces of wood when enter compared to the normal roofing where we dey used to.
Normal, we do the both calculation.
Okay, you can bring out the quotation for
yes,
the two.
Sir. The 3x4, both the flat roof and the hip roof is still the same 3x4 that it will take. You understand? That one is 100. We use 100 3x4. Now the 2x6 we use just only 40 pieces, and the main 40 pieces, the main work of that 40 pieces is just for the down. That place that I show you before for the lapping is not because of this. Now the 2x4 is 220 pieces. Why, if it happens to be improved, we are going to use almost 800 pieces.
Wow. The margin not be small.
Because it has a lot of design, but because of the flat roof, even though if you check this flat roof now, it is somewhat different from because of the shape, you understand. So and we have to bring it out. So that is how it is, sir.
Okay. So now only those wood you use?
No, We use 2x3 also, and that is one we use for the pole line. So now if you check this 2x3 now, you see like it is complete 2x3 because it's machine saw. But if it happens to be hand saw, it will not be complete like this.
This is very 2x3.
Yes.
Do I want to cross on like this?
Yes. If it is hand saw, this 2x3 happens to be 2x4.
Okay.
So that is the hand. We are going to use 2x2 for top noggin for the POP finish.
Okay. So this particular work, if you tell us how much it costs?
At 370, sir.
370,000.
Sir.
Okay, so if our viewers still get this kind of video when they want to, would that match or carry on?
It depends. I'm always emphasizing that it depends on some factors, which it will be discussion between me and the owner. So that is why if I write estimate, I don't put workmanship. We have to discuss it before I put it, because once we put it, you can't change it, or you can't. So that is why it is very essential. People that knows me, they knows me, but I will not put my workmanship there unless we conclude on it.
Okay, so make you give us your number in case our viewers they want to issue.
Okay, sir. 081 00 85 8834.
Again?
081 00 85 8834.
Okay, so our viewers all over the world, we thank you now for the time when I tell they watch our videos and the motivation when they give us. We say thank you all and God bless.